Hello, curious minds. Come close and let the noise of the day fall away for just a little while. Let your shoulders soften. Let your breath grow long and slow, like moonlight settling over still water. I'm so glad you're here with me, in this quiet corner of the cosmos, as we step together into September 2026, a month that arrives like a lantern lit gently at dusk, guiding us from the bright restlessness of summer into the tender clarity of autumn. This month asks you to listen, not to the noise of the world, but to the small, honest whisper of your own heart. So settle in, dear soul. The stars have something soft to say to you. September opens with Venus stepping into Libra, her own sacred home, and here she moves like a dancer returning to the floor she was born to move upon. Love softens. Beauty becomes easier to notice. Relationships with others and with yourself are invited to find their balance again, like two lanterns hung from the same gentle branch. Not long after, Mercury glides into Virgo, the sign where its voice grows clearest and most true. Thoughts sharpen without losing their kindness. This is a season for tending details with care, the way a gardener kneels quietly among the roots, listening for what needs light and what needs rest. As the month deepens, the sun itself moves into Virgo, casting a glow over devotion, service, and quiet self-improvement, not the striving kind, but the kind that comes from truly caring for your own life. Around this same turning point, Mars flows into Cancer, joining Jupiter there like two old friends meeting beneath a harvest moon. Courage and feeling intertwine. Protecting what you love becomes a sacred, tender act. The fog that lingered, the fog of miscommunication, of words spoken too soon, begins to lift as Mercury's combustion ends, and clarity returns like dawn breaking softly over the hills. By month's end, Mercury drifts into Libra, and our thoughts turn toward harmony, fairness, and the art of gentle conversation. All the while, Jupiter continues to rest in Cancer, expanding our capacity to nurture and be nurtured, and Saturn remains retrograde in dreamy Pisces, asking us to slow down and quietly rebuild the inner walls of faith, boundary, and spiritual trust. This is a month of coming home to yourself. Let's walk through it together, sign by sign. This September, dear Aries, the fire in you is asked to simmer rather than blaze. Venus moves gently through your relationship house, inviting you to soften your armor and let someone truly see you. There is no weakness in tenderness, only a quieter kind of strength. Let your heart open like a door left unlocked for someone worthy. The path ahead doesn't need to be conquered tonight. It only needs to be walked, slowly, with an open hand. Taurus, my grounded one, this month wraps around you like a favorite blanket. As Venus, your guiding star, settles into Libra, your daily rhythms begin to hum with a little more ease. Small rituals, a warm cup, a tidy room, an honest conversation become sacred acts of self-love. Let yourself receive comfort without guilt. You do not have to earn rest. The tide always returns to shore, and so does peace to you. Gemini, the winds are finally clearing. As Mercury's fog dissolves and your ruling planet finds its voice in Virgo, your mind begins to feel less scattered and more like a lantern steadily lit. This is a season to speak the truths you've been quietly circling. Say the soft thing. Say the honest thing. Your words, spoken gently, have more power this month than you know. Cancer. Dear Moonchild, Mars now joins Jupiter in your sign, and something in you begins to feel braver, not loud, but deeply certain. This is your season of quiet expansion, like a tide rising slowly beneath a hushed sky. Trust your instincts to protect what matters, and trust your emotions as guides rather than storms. You are allowed to take up more space in your own life. Leo, the spotlight softens this month, and that is a gift, not a loss. With the sun preparing to leave your sign and travel toward Virgo, you're invited to turn your warmth inward, tending your own hearth before you tend anyone else's. Let go of what needs polishing and simply rest in what already shines. Your light doesn't dim in stillness, it deepens. Virgo, this month wraps around you like it was written just for you. Mercury comes home to you, exalted and clear, and soon the sun follows, illuminating your path with quiet devotion. This is your season to be gentle with your own high standards. Let good enough be enough sometimes. You have spent so long tending others, let September tend to you. Libra, Venus returns to her true home in you, and the whole sky seems to exhale in relief. Harmony comes more easily now in love, in friendship, in the quiet negotiations of your own heart. Later, Mercury joins her here too, wrapping your thoughts in grace. This is your season to choose peace without abandoning your own needs. Balance isn't about bending until you break. It's about finding your true center. Scorpio. Beneath the surface, something in you is quietly transforming. Saturn's retrograde whisper through Pisces touches your dreams and your deeper faith, asking you to rebuild trust, first in yourself, and then in the unseen. Let old fears dissolve like mist at sunrise. You don't need to hide what you're feeling this month. Even shadows soften in gentle light. Sagittarius, this September calls you homeward, even if just in spirit. Mars and Jupiter's meeting in Cancer draws your attention toward roots, family, and the quiet corners of your life you sometimes rush past. Let yourself slow down long enough to feel held. Adventure will still be there tomorrow, tonight. Let yourself simply rest by the fire. Capricorn, your mind grows clearer as Mercury moves through steady, grounded Virgo, gifting you a season of practical magic. Ideas that once felt tangled begin to untie themselves like knots loosened by patient hands. Trust the quiet plans you're building. You don't need applause to know your path is right. You only need your own steady nod. Aquarius, your visions are vast, but this month whispers a gentler truth. Even stars need stillness to shine. With Saturn retrograde in Pisces, your inner world asks for quiet reflection rather than constant motion. Let yourself dream without rushing to build every dream into form. Some ideas are meant to rest a little longer in the moonlight before they become real. Pisces, dear dreamer, Saturn moves gently backward through your own sign, asking you to look honestly at the boundaries you've been avoiding. This isn't punishment, it's devotion. The universe is helping you build a stronger shore so your beautiful, boundless waters have somewhere safe to rest. Be patient with yourself. Even the softest tides are shaped by something solid beneath them. And so, dear soul, we come to the end of our journey through September's sky. Wherever you find yourself this month, in love, in stillness, in quiet becoming, know that you are exactly where the universe needs you to be. Let the lanterns of this season light your way gently, not urgently. Let the tides remind you that all things move in rhythm, even the hardest ones. Carry this softness with you as you step back into your day. You are held. You are seen. You are, and always have been, made of the same quiet light as the stars above you, until we meet again beneath the same sky. Be gentle with yourself, dear one, and good night, curious mind.